Cross-hand arpeggios is a finger exercise that all pianists have to learn after the scale. And in here we are exploring 4 major keys and 4 minor keys. Let's start with our left hand first on C. So we're going to play C major. Left hand on C and right hand on middle C position. I'm going to be skipping with left and then with the right hand, and then I'm going to cross over with the second finger onto that C and then go backwards and skipping all the way down, and we play our C snowman chord together. So let's start again on C major. Skip, skip, and C. Skipping down together. C minor. We're going to put our 3 onto that black key to E flat. Skipping up C. Let's move up to D major. So on D, F sharp, and A, both hands. Cross over D. Together. D minor is on all white keys. D. E major, cross, to E minor, all on white keys. Let's shift up to F major. We are still on all white keys. F minor. Let's move the 3 over to A flat